Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn off this controller speaker volume on PS4. So not in a lot of games, but in some of the games this speaker is working. So for example on NBA there is a buzzer sound that basically goes through this speaker. So if you want to basically turn it off, it's really easy to do it. So you need to hold this PlayStation button until you see this quick menu, and then you need to go on sound and devices, and then as you can see here the first option is volume control speaker for controller. And if you want to turn that off completely, just press X and then basically move it to this mode. And if you want to just make a little bit less sound, just make it, for example, like this. Or if you want to turn on completely, you can do also full sound. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.